Alright, we got a 88 Jeep Comanche with a 4.0 liter, and we had a cracked exhaust manifold. So as we're looking at this, you can tell it had some wear and tear by each individual print that it was making. There is a soot buildup on the corner here where this was a separate issue. It looks like prior owner had tried to fix this, but when I had bought the truck, it cracked and exhaust fumes were prior owner or slash owners had broken a stud off in the front of the head. Now that is what caused a leak and a soot buildup there, because exhaust gases essentially eroded this to just about paper thin. And if you flip the gasket over, it's worse on the other side versus that side. With some blood, sweat, and tears, we managed to find one of these at a local salvage yard. This is for this make and model. This is a stainless steel header, and we were able to retrieve the O2 sensor, and as well, out of the old donut, we were able to retrieve the two flange bolts, unfortunately with one damaged threads, but those, in our case, isn't the biggest deal right now. And the right tools for the job, we can get stuff done. Unfortunately, we've run into a few issues, but we'll get to that soon. This right here is a Felpro exhaust manifold gasket. Me and my dad, we run Felpro gaskets. We've been happy with their performance and their life that you get out of them, and so on. This job will make you swear. This is the recovery and retap of the broken off exhaust manifold stud that we were thankfully able to retrieve out of the head of the motor.
We drilled it out.
We used a reverse drill bit. You can get those at your local Harbor Freight. And no, this video is not a shout out to Harbor Freight by any means, but they do supply good tools, so check it out. But reverse drill bits, I will show you those in a second. Alright, if we go and look to our rear, you'll see a stud sticking out of the rear, and that is what we are working on up front. And this one has bolts up top and bolts on the bottom with a stud mix. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a completely shot engine mount on a 4.0 or 88 Comanche. We went ahead and replaced both of them. With them in this condition, it would have done us no favors to replace the manifold without going ahead and replacing these as well. Solid photo finish, a helicoil will be our replacement for this and to fix and solve this problem. Goes in and goes out, and that will be your thread replacement for the motor. We are using a tap, and this is going to be making the threads for the helicoil to be taking place of the old stud. And to do this, it takes time, and it takes patience, and a couple Tylenol. As a solution, this is how the helicoil will be inserted into the head. It will thread in, and you want to be very careful when doing this job, and you do not want to damage the head of a 4.0 Comanche motor. And with this, a socket and ratchet, and this will work the helicoil in the block. This is a replacement stud. Now, this part was not easy to acquire due to its specialty item list. We ended up having to go to Addison Motors to acquire this, or I was led by a few others to look at Dorman.com for a matching stud. But with that, you do get the whole kit, and it is worth the money. But this is the end result of the helicoil and how it serves its purpose on a 4.0 liter 1988 Jeep Comanche Chief. Thank you. Have a good one.